Hi guys!
Hello,
Welcome
hello.
back to our channel. Welcome
buntag.
back. It's me, Inday Boryat, and my
Honey Bunny.
Dudu. So today's video mga Inday is very special day kasi we will going to surprise our sister with a
Brand new motorcycle.
brand new motorcycle. My sister mga Inday, may motorcycle siya pero 10 years, run to 11 years na yung motorcycle niya.
It's old. She has an old one.
Yes. Oh, this is my older sister, mga Inday. And then today, we will going to the city in Kabangkalan City, mga Inday, para kumuha ng pera para ibili. So we were going to get the motorcycle cash. But all she knows, we were going to loan her the motorcycle, right, Han?
Yes.
And she don't have any idea, mga Inday, na ibibigay pala namin ng buo yung motorcycle, meaning yung motor. So, pinapili na namin siya noong isang araw kung anong motor yung gusto niya, mga Inday. At saka, akala niya utang lang. So, bibigay namin ng buo. So, let's go and get the
Motorcycle.
motorcycle.
Bye-bye. We're on the bus to Kabangkalan. We call it K for short.
Pupunta na kami sa restaurant kasi nagugutom na kami, mga Inday. Kakain muna kami ni Dudong. Ang init dito sa Kabangkalan.
Okay. It's already peeled. It was too good. Okay, now here you go. I was gonna do it. Oh wow. It's already peeled. In it. In it.
Nagulog kasi dorong para sa baon niya. Ulan. Ayaw ng grocery na si Aka mag-isa, mga Inday. Iniwan ako. Hindi nakita. Hindi niya ako nakita. Okay, anong tinitingnan mo dyan? Pauwi na kami, mga Inday. Buti na lang na nag-stop yung ulan. Huminto yung ulan, mga Inday. Ayan si Dodong. Hindi kami kasya dyan, mga Inday.
Heading back to Babinay.
Pauwi na kami, mga Inday.
On the air-conditioned bus.
Ayaw na yung sumakay na hindi aircon, mga Inday, kasi naano siya noong dati na pinasakay ko siya na hindi aircon. Tapos umulan, mainit daw sa loob. Hi mga Doria, so umuwi muna kami dito sa bahay ng kapatid ko para maligo kasi napakainit doon sa Kabangkalan, mga Inday. Eto, nag-shota ginting. Babayaran namin yung buo, mga Inday, yung motor na para sa aking kapatid. Para naman akong kunin ng langit nito. Ganyan na lang. Ayan. Nakuha na namin yung pera, mga Inday. Ang hindi niya alam, kasi sinabi namin sa kanya na hindi pa nakarating yung pera na pinadala sa akin ni Eric sa aking account. So, sasabihin namin, mga Inday, ipaprank na siya ni Eric na hindi na matutuloy yung pagbibili namin ng motor. Kasi yung buong akala niya is utang yung motor na ibibigay namin sa kanya. Hulugan niya, mga Inday, kada buwan dito sa akin. So, hindi niya alam na full pala yung bibigay namin sa kanya. So yun lang mga Inday, ipaprank na natin siya bago tayo pupunta doon sa dealer shop. So So, let's go mga Inday. Hi mga Inday, andito na kami ngayon sa dealer shop with Dudong. And napaniwala talaga namin yung kapatid namin mga Inday na hindi matuloy yung pagkuha namin ng motor. Dito na kami sa Honda mga Inday.
The Honda dealership that is.
Honda, yes.
Honda. Cool.
Surprise lang gift.
Ay, ang expect niya
Is
siya
utang.
bayad.
Oo. You like this one?
Yes. I want this one.
Okay, go. Make a speed.
I'm racing now.
Overtake. Oh, while waiting for the motorcycle, processing coffee.
Yum yummy.
Coffee. Why you don't really like coffee?
Because it doesn't taste good to me.
There's more coffee though. You finished.
Now cocoa is good. Lamique.
But coffee.
Not good. No lamique. But it's not good. Coffee, walai lami.
It's lami.
No, walai lami. Cocoa, lamique.
What about juice?
Soda, lamique. Welch's grape juice.
It's lami kaya. Oh, coffee. Coffee is life in Philippines.
Okay.
Within sa kilometer of the unit.
Okay.
But then, ang coverage of the warranty is only engine related.
Okay.
So with regard
Engine,
of
transmission, drivetrain.
Mag-fill up na ako ng form mga Inday para sa kanya. Napaniwala talaga namin siya na hindi matutuloy yung motor na uutangin niya para sa amin. So, fill up tayo ng namin. Surprise, surprise!
Surprise.
Nagpapangalan na yung motor sa kanyang Inday. Fully paid. Ayan. May helmet pa. What do you think her reaction?
I think she's going to probably say, and I think she's going to start crying tears of joy because she's thinking that she's going to get it maybe a month from now or 2 months from now because we did a prank. We said we couldn't get the money, and we were so sad. It's like, no, we're really sad we can't get it because we know you really wanted it and we promised it to you, and now you're having to wait. And then, wow, surprise! So So we have to get her here so she can sign something. That's how we're getting her here. She doesn't know it's paid for in full, and it's her brand new motorcycle.
Yeah, her dream.
Her dream.
One
yes.
of her dreams
One
to
of
make
dreams.
her 10 years old motorcycle.
Yes. And now she'll have a backup one she can let her son drive. And she'll have a brand new one for herself.
Sit down, sit down. Yeah, that's her. I know, man. Let her open the door. Let her open the door. Surprise!
Surprise!
May gulay day, di ko kumilak day. Later na kumilak kay naikuan. Nain tao maulaw.
And it's completely paid for. No finance. It's all yours. It's all yours. You take the whole
May
thing.
gulay day, sure ko.
Take the whole thing.
It's yours. You don't need.
Piso, wala ko ba?
Yes, even peso.
No, not even 1 peso.
It's
Or
all
10
yours. We give it to you.
It's all yours. Just
Ilan
prove
na din?
that. Prove that it's all yours. It's all paid for.
100% cash and it's all yours. You don't need to pay even 1 peso.
Not even 1 centavo.
How do you feel now?
Purog ko day. I don't know what to say.
Wabiya gana mo ang yan hidin he.
Just thinking that you said it's really true what you are telling me.
I think it's believable.
Hilak dayon.
The reason,
Hilak ba? Uno, bawian ako ni Ron.
the reason we didn't get it yesterday was because it was too late when we got back. We had, but it was already
Yeah, yesterday when we go to Kabangkalan, we already have the
It
cash.
was already almost 5 o'clock, so we couldn't have done anything. We wanted to decorate, put
O,
balloons
diba?
on.
Hilak dayon ba?
Effective kayo, pero
Kanara
kabalo na gid ko
action ra nga bura kag mahilak. Sige, 1 2 3 go.
Muna ko na shock, pero kung naging adlaw na shock.
And the rain cooperated. It was pouring down. All of a sudden, it stopped. We get here. Now it's
Excited? Happy? Iya deh.
have a motorcycle raffle draw once we hit 60,000 subscribers. Like, share, and subscribe to be a lucky winner.
See you there, and good luck!